gonna deal with our feet first. I usually tell the guys thumb plus thumb, right? That's my thumb. If you have your linesman, right? About the length of your linesman and a little bit more. Okay. Tighten that in. You want to secure everything so nothing is moving on you. Alright, so I need another cable going from here because we're doing a receptacle and a luminary, right? That's what we said. Or was it luminary?
It was a receptacle there and then the luminary at the bottom.
The receptacle is here and our luminary is here. Alright, so we're gonna make sure we get all our cables where they gotta go. I like to keep everything straight. You want to keep them the same length too. Alright. And I'm actually going to make this one a little longer because of that bonding screw.
Oh, the bonding screw, okay.
Make it a little longer so that eliminates one of my pigtails, my grounding pigtails. All right. And now we're going to deal with our luminary now. See, I'm keeping everything nice and straight. Tighten her down. And what I'm going to do once I get all my cables ready to go, I'm going to go back, check all my lock nuts, make sure they're tight so I'm not getting them turning on me when I'm trying to rip the jacket off. Test, make sure she's not moving. Now I can work on my lock nuts. Make sure those are nice and secure. Alright, so now I can rip the jacket off. Alright, the slot on this cable ripper. Alright, you want to slide it up onto your cable, and there's a little blade in here, right, that rips through the jacket. Back down, pull towards you. You want to fold that back. Use your diagonal cutters. Cut that off. You just go through. Do the same thing with all of your cables. I could just go through, rip all my jackets off, and then go back and clean up. start cleaning everything up, ripping everything off.